We cannot take president and take chairman. Now you have given yourself national chairman. Let the president go to the south. Why not be that as it used to be? Why not be that arrogant to say nothing will happen? No, they've realized that something will happen. It happened in 2023. Even this one you have done now. To what? Bringing Obi to where? Obi to where? You want to kill the party, the ball?
You won't allow.
Obi that, I mean, you see, if somebody don't have characters, Obi, that was abusing the party, that the party is rotten, is this. So the party is good enough for you to come and run for, you see these people, ambition can make you even go to Satan's house.
Minister,
don't excuse me. Don't rush. You ask question. So, Obi is not that anybody who says so, like the Baba said, I heard him say, that is Baba's opinion. He's entitled to his opinion. But if you want to destroy the party, dare it. If you want to destroy this party, dare to bring Obi. Let even Obi come. There's nowhere he will go because of ambition. Can't we be principled? Because you're looking for president. Anybody that, if he is not available, this person costs me, this person costs me. So no more ideology, no longer principle. You talk about Jonathan. I respect Jonathan very well. I know he judged the role as an elder statesman. And somebody the international community respects. And I think he will continue with that. These people who are weighing Jonathan, what is their strength? Are they not the same people who played him game in 2015? Some of these people, I see what I don't like is people who are trying to play to the gallery. Baba is entitled to say he's waiting for Jesus Christ. He's waiting for Prophet Muhammad. He's entitled to. But that is not the view, or that's not the opinion of, you have heard that as the governor that who intends to run. If that governor is true that he intends to run, how would Banana be saying that PDP is waiting for either His Excellency President Goodluck Jonathan, former president, or His Excellency Peter Obi? For Christ's sake, nobody should cause problem for the party. When you cause problem for the party, you now say people are behind this problem. You are the one trying to. How will anybody even contemplate?
Are you going to run since it's been zoned to the south? Are you running for presidency?
I will not run. So don't even. Let me tell you. Wait. That's what excuse me. So you hear it very well. You know, people have to cause confusion everywhere. I have. Don't stop me. I have integrity. I have character. There's no way. My appointer is there. We are saying he should run. Then I'll turn around to say I want to run. What kind of, we are talking as if people who don't even have integrity. What will my children ask me?
Okay, Your Excellency.
What is for Tinubu?
Is it today you need?
It's obvious.
I'm surprised.
Even when your party, when your party has zoned its presidency to the south as well.
That's why you zoned. To satisfy. You see, it's late.
I'm curious to ask.
Yes.
You talked about party ideology and principles that these politicians don't have. The ones you mentioned, Atiku, Peter Obi. I'm just curious as to your thoughts generally. Is that something that permeates our political landscape in Nigeria
No,
now?
not correct. You people prefer those. Okay, take for example, where have I left? From since 1998. I've been in PDP. I've told you when there's a fight, I'll fight it there. Look at how you know character. I mean, look, I just analyzed to you here. Atiku, 1999. 2007, he ran under Action Congress. 2011, he came back and ran for the presidential ticket of PDP. 2014, he left PDP and went to APC and ran for the presidential ticket. 2017, he came back and became president candidate of PDP 2019 and became president candidate of PDP 2023. Now again, he had left to ADC to seek for presidential ticket. Is there any prescription of drug?
Okay.
For you, I mean, it doesn't matter. That's why I said about principle. Is that a coalition now? See what they call coalition. When CPC and ACN say, look, we want to fight the ruling party. Let's form a party. I would try to come with All Progressive Congress. That is a coalition. Not about you. Every time you want to be this, if you don't get it, you move to the other party. He says a coalition. How can that be a coalition? It cannot be a coalition. Yeah. A coalition is when two political parties or more than two political parties come together. Then you say, look, they are forming this for purposes of defeating the ruling party. Not when you, an individual, you didn't get ticket here this year. You run to the other party. Then if you didn't get there, you run to the other party, it's a coalition. That cannot be the definition of a coalition.
Interestingly, your media aide released a statement shortly after the PDP did the zoning, and he said that you had been vindicated. Yourself and the G5 governors were vindicated.
Okay.
He also asked a question in that statement. I want to believe he was speaking for you when you were saying, is it not too late? Can you answer that question?
I not said it here.
It's too late.
You know, something you have come out on time for people to be a president, to run for presidency. It's not by mouth. Except you just want to, you see, there are people who want to answer, I was presidential candidate. There are so many people who say, look, I was presidential candidate. It will be their CV. And then they say they are not the leader of the party being the presidential candidate. For Christ's sake, I've been into this business. I came out to run for presidency before. I know what it took me to go around this country. That is for primary election, not even general election. I know where I was heading to. So it is not just only the resources. You will also have to be mentally alert and be prepared. Psychologically, you have to. It's not, oh, it has been zoned to us. Therefore, I can now run. No, it's not done that way. It's not done that way. That's what I'm saying. That, look, except somebody, and I have not seen.
Honorable Minister.
I have not seen who in the party. Bana said he didn't, he sacrificed his ambition. But as you know the truth now, he knows it was not going to be easy.